and I think we have computerized trading systems, and what we need to do is figure out how to optimize their operation. Let's remember, whenever you're dealing with a computerized system, there's a probability there's going to be a failure.
Right.
And you want to get that failure rate down so that it's measured in, billions of a percentage. But we have to design systems that in a certain sense are appropriately redundant. And what we're seeing here is that, all right, the New York Stock Exchange has a self-inflicted wound. It goes down because of some programming problem. But meanwhile, NASDAQ, BATS, and other exchanges are able to pick up the slack. Trading continues. So this appears to be a bit of a benefit to the fragmentation that we've seen in our markets.
Right, but let's just make this also clear. This is not an issue that happens at the New York Stock Exchange on any regular basis at all. So when you talk about the number of times or billionths of a second, however you want to define it, this falls within that purview, because this is absolutely not something that happens here on any regular basis.
Coming up on 1 hour and 59 minutes, almost 2 hours now, that the New York Stock Exchange has not traded a single share. The halt exchange-wide began at 11:32 a.m. Eastern Time. Since that time, we have heard, of course, from the exchange itself that it was not related to any cyber attack or tied to the United Airlines grounding.
Yeah, I just think it's unfortunate that it happened on the same day.
Literally a self-inflicted wound, as Joseph just said. SEC says they continue to remain in contact with the exchange. FBI, similar story. The White House, the president has been briefed. Treasury continues to monitor it. The question now is really, do they open before the would-be close?
Exactly, and I think, if you were a betting man, Kenny, I know they want to.
Right.
We all know they want to, and I think it would probably be, assuming they can resolve this, would be in their best interest.
Absolutely.
To go into the close with some open trading.
I'm sure they're working very, very hard to get this done. Even if it could almost be an opening and closing in one trade.
What if they can't? What if they can't resolve it before the close? What happens
I don't know
tomorrow
what that backup plan is. I don't know what that backup plan is.
But what would the open... I know I'm asking you to speculate, but I think that's on the minds... When I was walking up here, that was on the minds of everybody's,
Can they just use the composite close?
Yeah, I guess there's got to be a backup plan, and the composite close, I guess, would have to be it. And then, listen, a lot would also depend, I would imagine, on what happens overnight, what happens in news afterwards. Like I said, if we get all positive news overnight, we get positive news out of Europe, what could happen? Would there any reason for the market to crumble? I don't know.
What I meant is, what the mechanics of the open tomorrow? Does it look, what is the process any different?
No. If it doesn't reopen today, but then they get the problem fixed and tomorrow's just a normal day, then the opening process will be the opening process. They'll discover price once again like we do every morning, and then bang, at 9:30 they'll open the stocks. There'll be no change to the opening process.
Kenny, if you want